To trade options on Wealthsimple, follow these steps. Open a Wealthsimple account. If you don't have one already, create a Wealthsimple account by downloading the app or visiting the website. You will need to complete the sign-up process, which includes providing personal details and verifying your identity. Enable options trading. Once your account is active, navigate to the Invest section. If you haven't already enabled options trading, you will need to apply for access. Complete the options trading agreement and answer questions about your experience and risk tolerance. This ensures you understand the risks of options trading. Deposit funds. Before placing any options trades, ensure you have funds in your account. You can deposit money via bank transfer and it will appear in your Wealthsimple account balance. Search for the stock. To start trading options, find the stock you want to trade options on. You can search by ticker symbol or company name. Select Trade Options. Once on the stocks page, click on Trade and select the Options tab. You will be able to choose between different strike prices and expiration dates. Place the trade. Choose your contract type and enter the number of contracts you want to buy or sell. Review the trade details and confirm the transaction. Monitor your position. After placing your order, you can monitor the performance of your options in the portfolio section.